Gilbane wants to be a leader in innovation, and our relationship with Versatile has allowed us to be on the front edge of new technology in the construction market.
I'm Marav Oren. I'm the CEO and very much proud co-founder of Versatile. Construction is really manufacturing, and job sites are factories. What if we could non-invasively get the data that we need out to help people control the process? We zoned in on the crane because it's almost like a control tower on a busy airport. And by going under the hook, we serve in a very non-intrusive, naturally fitting the workflows. The multi-sensor approach under the hook really tells us the story of the job site. We're here to change sequences of events. I've always been amazed by the leadership and the innovation of the different teams that I've interacted with at Gilbane. And the team that we serve right now has done incredible things with the data. I can always see the best practices that shine out.
When the equipment arrived to the job site, it was just a matter of plug and play. Once the device was raised up, it was all go live from there. Crane View data comes to us on a daily basis based on the work performed the previous day. The daily digests are a great tool to see how effective we were in the field the previous day and what things we may need to change on the following day.
I get a daily email with a digest that tells me right off the bat how efficient they were, the utilization percentage. If I'm hoping to see something in the 90s. If I don't, I will dig deeper.
There's different data that we're able to get so we can see if there's any outliers. So we're able to go back and look at the camera footage, decide if this is something that we're possibly going to see over and over again. We're allowed to then plan around that. So I think a combination of getting the data in email form and then watch it real time remotely, it allows me to still be connected to the work. Being as safety conscious as we are, I think having the ability to look right down on top of the connectors, the riggers, the guys hooking the stuff up on the ground. If you see something like that, then you can get something corrected.
As a safety director, I'm able to use the information, the data points, and the video from CraneView to identify training needs and best practices, lessons learned that we can utilize on our projects for not only our Gilbane employees, but also our contractors. The data that I'm able to collect is really transforming our ordinary into the extraordinary.
Managing infrastructure construction projects is a race against time and a fight against deviations. Basing decisions on outdated information can cost you dearly. Datubim captures field data via drones to deliver critical metrics and actionable insight you need to better manage your site. Gain visibility with accurate, constantly updated digital twins of the as-built. Uncover deviations and solve problems promptly. Improve efficiency. Save time and money with our automated end-to-end process. Get engineering analytics and reports with survey-grade accuracy, delivered within hours, not weeks. Datubim checks every box: visualization of work progress, visual inspection and quality assurance, comparison of actual to plan and cross-section delta reports, tracking of volumes, earthwork, schedule, and budget, digital documentation of the entire life cycle and custom reports. With our secure cloud-based software, you have all your project data and analytics when and where you need it. Easily share insights across teams to improve collaboration, to solve problems more efficiently and faster. Datubim, making construction data work for you.
Hi, I'm Sophie Morris. I'm a Customer Success Manager here at BuildDots. I trained as a civil engineer and pursued a career as a construction manager on site, previously working at Mace. I'm very familiar with the industry and the type of client I face in my customer success role. When working on site, one of the biggest challenges I found was having enough hours in the day to deliver the project, but also communicate effectively with the team and keep the right type of records. For sure, if my previous project teams and I had had access to BuildDots, our life would have been a lot easier. I'll always remember from my first weeks of working with BuildDots, one of my clients told me, "This is the future," and I agree with him. But enough about me, here's a video which shows what BuildDots is all about.
Managing a construction site is a huge challenge that requires complete control over tens of thousands of details. With BuildDots, capturing progress data is as easy as doing a site walk. Wearing a hard hat-mounted 360 camera is all that the platform needs to create a digital twin of your construction site, documenting every single detail of the construction process. Based on this digital twin, the BuildDots Control Center app gives you detailed reports and a comprehensive view of your project to help you manage your resources and avoid delays, deviations from the schedule, incorrect installations, and partly completed tasks are all flagged instantly, making sure you're always in control. From weekly trade meetings to monthly valuations, BuildDots is specifically designed to suit your existing workflows. Leading construction companies across Europe already rely on BuildDots to increase margins, boost productivity, and get ahead of the competition. Book a free demo today at builddots.com.
Hi everybody, my name is Patrick Scow and I am the construction lead for BuildDots UK. So my background, I used to work in the construction industry. I worked on site in New York City for multiple years. My main observation was the fact that technology wasn't being adopted on site as much as I wanted it to. So I wanted to be part of that change, and hence the role of BuildDots, which has really opened my eyes to bringing technology into the construction sector. So BuildDots offers a change that I've never seen in construction. I know that for a fact. What it does is it gives you a level of objectivity that I don't think the construction industry has ever had, and it allows you to look at a site team objectively without any bias and really make a difference on how your projects are run. The data that we collect, as I said, is objective, but also in the fact that how we use that data in terms of the program, the scheduling, and the error detection within our system is all ways that really are changing the industry for the better. So when I first heard about BuildDots, I sat down with one of the co-founders, Aviv, for an interview with him for the new job, and he showed me a bit of the tech, and I genuinely couldn't believe it. I didn't think it was real, because I'd been looking for this sort of solution for so long in my old role that suddenly it was presented to me, and it almost seemed too good to be true. And it turns out it's not. It's real, and it's actively deployed on sites all over the world right now.
We hope you enjoyed hearing a bit more about BuildDots today and how we're helping contractors work smarter and more efficiently.
And if you'd like any more information or a demo, please reach out to us on our website at www.builddots.com.